Picking up right where I left off last video. It is Monday, April 26th. I found a guy with a shop down the street who says he can fix my exhaust in like 15 minutes. So we are gonna get going. When I start it up right now, you guys should be able to hear it. On a cold start, the front pipe rattles really badly. Yeah. I just got off work, so I have not really had a chance to clean up the car yet. I know it's in desperate need of a wash. I know all those bugs that Sergio and I demolished are still there. Also, the bugs that Nick and I demolished too. Oh God, that rattle, yeah. It's primarily right here with the heat shield. Oh God. I just posted the video a couple hours ago of my exhaust install. Most of the comments are good. I think there are also some people that are like, well, you know, what's up with the sound? I don't know how many times I have to say it. I did a bad job installing it. It's not the exhaust system. Also, a few people said it's quiet, which is absolutely not true. This is pretty close to how loud my SI was when it was full bolt on with the catted downpipe and the street exhaust from MAPerformance.
Where would you like to go?
All muffler services.
Getting directions to all muffler service.
Still warming up, so I'm not gonna give it the juice yet. So, fun fact, all muffler services here in Rockland, California. I actually went here when I first moved to California in late 2017. I brought my 9th gen here and had him weld on, actually I forget what brand of muffler it was, but he welded on some muffler. How's it going, Mark? We're gonna fix her up, boys. What's that?
Is cat back?
Yeah, I didn't touch the cat. That's the resonator right there.
There's a resonator here. Do you see the space here?
Yeah, that was another resonator. This has two resonators.
But this thing is low.
Yeah.
You can go hold that no.
I did a terrible job, man. Should have brought it to you in the first place. We should be good. Everything is adjusted. Give her a startup.
Okay.
Sweet. As you guys just heard, we're all fixed up. He actually didn't even have to touch the front pipe. He said my clamps were hitting against the heat shield from like the mid pipe back. The fitment was all wonky. So all he did was just turn some things around and twist some things here and there. I think it was up on the lift for 25 minutes at most. That's it. And then I told him, I'm like, hey, so like the big reason I'm here is because of the front pipe. Like I think that's what's causing all the problems. And he said, nope. He's like, get in the car, start it up. Started it up, didn't rattle at all. Gave it a couple revs, nothing. So he looks at me, just staring at me. This is the third time I've been at this guy, and he remembers me. He's like, "So what I do for a living, man." And I'm like, "All right, man, I trust you." Oh, guys, we're good to go. When I tell you that this is perfect, it is perfect now. I'm not gonna rip through this neighborhood yet, but I will give you a full throttle pull as soon as I can. I should have just gone to Mark in the first place. I should know better by now. I can't trust myself with a freaking exhaust install. Oh my God. The GoPro's definitely not gonna do justice, but this is so deep. And again, for anyone who thought this was quiet, you're absolutely incorrect. And I will defend that until the day I die. Oh, this road sucks. I thought it got quiet around 4,500 RPM. That is also incorrect. It's very consistent. It's gonna be a lot better if I have a smooth surface though. Today's Tuesday, it's the next day. Just washed the car finally. I'm the worst kind of person, so I'll pick this stuff up when I get back from filming this video. Comment if you are excited for the Mustang Cobra. I'm very excited. Let's get it in sport mode and see how it sounds. Sport mode adds a little bit of active sound control, whereas R mode adds a little more. This is R mode. It doesn't sound too bad now that I have the exhaust, but I think I will still unplug it. Sport mode. Put the window up. I'll do one at like half throttle, and then I might even launch it. That sounds cool. This is perfect, guys. Well, now I can't launch it because there's someone walking their dog right there. I'm gonna ask them. Hello. Good. Hey, I'm recording a YouTube video. No, you're fine, cause I can wait until you're gone, but do you mind if I kind of like, you know, give it some gas right here? I'll just wait till you're gone, cause I don't want to disrupt you.
That's okay, it's not disrupting us, but they're having a huge, there was a wreck right down here, I don't know if you heard.
Over there?
Right up here. There was an accident because everybody uses this for racing, as you can tell by all
Oh God, yeah, I'm not racing, I'm just...
No,
yeah.
and I understand because this is the temptation of life right here. It's just super dangerous, especially when people are out walking their dogs and stuff at this time. You can go back around the other way.
No, you do your thing. I don't want to disrupt you at all. I just wanted to just...
Right now, like the city council's having a meeting, right, like literally right now about this area, and they're sending police out here to patrol. So whatever you do, be really careful.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good to know. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Well, I guess that's not a good idea to do it here then. Interesting. People right here? Probably really slow cars. This is probably only... it might be a little more than a half mile. About a half mile. I mean, you're not going to go very fast in this road, but... Time to find a new spot, boys and girls. All right, traction all the way off. Here we go. Sorry for all the wind noise, guys. I had a hard time getting traction in first and second. That was wild. I need to get those Titan 7 TS5 wheels and the Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. Those modifications are coming the month after I get the Cobra, by the way. So, haven't forgotten about the wheels. Haven't changed my mind or anything. I'm just using the whole entire paycheck that I earned in the month of April to support buying the Cobra. And I am buying the Cobra in cash, just in case you're curious. Or in case you missed that in another video, because I've talked about that. Dude, I thought someone was just gonna snatch my phone. I didn't catch his name, but of course I stopped recording right before that. I think I'm gonna make sure Vivian comes out with me next time I do something like this. Because I really don't like leaving a $1,000 phone on the side of the road. Hope you enjoy those clips. Little life update for you guys. I have been kind of letting myself go the past few weeks. Back about 2.5 months ago, I told you guys that I was 189 and I wanted to lose some weight. Well, I did. I'm hovering right around 169 to 171, depends on the day. But I think I've lost probably 4, 5, 6 pounds of muscle too, which kind of makes me sad. My arms are getting smaller, so I just haven't been in the gym as much. When I'm in the gym, I just want to eat everything in sight, so it's harder to count calories. It's harder to stay under my, calorie limit. But yeah, I could always use some recommendations. I'm not perfect. Vivian and I have also been talking about getting a house for a while. We found this beautiful one in Lincoln, California. It's the town just north of us, but it's pending. It's been pending for like 2 weeks. So one of my subscribers, Ryan, if you're watching this, you're awesome. This guy named Ryan Moyer, he's a realtor. So I got in contact with him. He generously spent like an hour plus of his time just talking to me about the real estate market and what he does. And so I don't know, if something comes up and it's in me and Vivian's price range, then we might buy a house soon. But I really, I'm so hesitant because we might move after I get out of the Air Force or after I get out of active duty. I might stay in the Guard. I don't know. It depends on how well YouTube's doing next March. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna put my stuff away and go for a run and then just try to grind out some more videos so Vivian and I can get to the point where I could do this full time, and hopefully shortly after Vivian can do this full time with me. That'd be the absolute dream.